Hey you guys, I'm Wendy and I am the owner of Happy Heart Boutique and I'm so glad you're here. For those of you who don't know me, I have spent over 25 years working in retail with specialty gift shops and more than 35 years crafting. That's me, who I am. A lot of times I misspeak, and so that's just who I am. There's a lot of silly things that happen on my channel, but seriously, I've spent a lot of time over the past 35 years crafting and sewing and doing all the projects to meaningful pieces. And so right now, I'm in a season of rebuilding my boutique from the ground up, and I'm bringing you along for the journey. I'm so glad you're here. Outside of all of this, I am the mom of 2 teenage boys that I am so proud of. And I also have 2 fuzzy doodles and they are adorable. So my life is very full and very fun. Here on my channel, you're gonna see several series. One of them is my Come Along With Me series, where I'm rebuilding my art studio and creating space that really reflects this next chapter that I'm in. And then at least every Friday, I'm trying to go live here on YouTube where I will do Create With Me, sharing craft projects that are simple, meaningful, and something that you can follow along with and make your own. And then on Tuesdays, I do something called Tuesday Talks. Just a chance to connect and share with you what's going on with me in the art studio and talk about the heart behind everything at Happy Heart Boutique and things that I'm creating. And at the heart of Happy Heart Boutique is something really simple. I love to create meaningful pieces and moments that we can pass down and share with the people that we love, because that's really what's most important in my mind anyway. So most things that I create are rooted in faith, creativity, and celebrating the everyday moments that matter most. So if that sounds like something that you'd love to be a part of, I'd love to have you subscribe below and come along with me on this journey. I'm so glad you're here and I can't wait to create with you.